Hello everyone, Hatmali from Projection back again with the news as we always never promised. Today I brought my private doctor, Oral-B Genies 9000N. This is company Oral-B, and the Brown, the famous German, is powered by Brown, which is mean they are both together. I hope this one is nice, as not like my ex Oral-B. Guys, you know, I bought this Oral-B Brown. It's after 1 month exactly, water start to enter and the battery is fucked up here down. If I can put it out and show you, and it's not work well. So I use it for cleaning my monowheel, my stuff, you know. Honestly, disappointing. It didn't stay 1 month with me and start to water enter inside the battery, and it's kind of shame. Anyway, I hope this one is better. Because this is a lot of money and supposed to be work well and really work as it's supposed to be. I mean, I don't want advertisements. I don't want Bluetooth and you shadow me. I want results, okay? Here they say that is used by dental worldwide. I don't care. I care about result. You know me, guys. I am the most important for me is the true and nothing except the true. Brush like your dental professional. Okay, recommends. Let's do nothing here. By the way, let's see where it's made from. I'm sure it's China. Here they draw for you. Look, guys. Here they draw for you 5 brushes. Okay, but they are 4. I don't know why here they draw for you 5. It came with 4, not 5. Anyway, here my Genius is finally recognized. Junkerat Overwatch. Okay, I don't see anything special. Do not write anything. That's here. They say that you can connect it to your phone. You can download the application for Apple Store and Google Play. Guys, I like how all companies is bimbing for Apple, for iPhone. Look here, they write. The Apple logo and iPhone are trademarks for Apple, registered in the USA and other countries. Apple Store. After they say this, they say Android and Google Play. First, they talk about Apple and how it's registered, how it's everything. First of all is Apple. Then, all companies pimp. Boss, when I have Sound Sport, they pimp as company Boss. This one, they pimp a lot of company. Why, God? I swear to God, I have iPhone Max and I have. Is Note 9, okay? And now I will buy S10 Plus. I swear I got Samsung is better, way better than iPhone. I don't know why they are bimp. And they say iPhone is for heavy work and duty. What heavy work? My iPhone Max is stuck 24 hours. What's heavy work? And I cannot do half what I can do in Note 9. Anyway, let's not waste time. Let's do quick. This is the travel case, okay? Looks luxury. Oh, what's this? Speakers? I will hear music. Okay, here we have the socket. This is the lamp, okay? For when it's charged complete, it will be green. When it's charging, it will be red. Here's USB for charging your phone, for charging your speaker, whatever you want. And here's the charger for itself. This is travel case, okay? This is travel case, which is mean you can take it with you to trip, to travel. And here you can put your brush, and you can put two brushes with you. You got me 2 pieces here and here, and you can put and here you can put your brush. Okay, they say this is can let you work all day. This travel case. Okay, we have here the brush for itself, Oral-B Bluetooth. And here they show you the 4-way of. We will try it now. We'll show you guys. Here. Racing Formula 1, you know. I was have game before. Oh, hair. This is disgusting. Anyway, guys, see. The most important that no need to open to, and water will not flip anywhere. This is the kind of this is the 4 kind of cleaning whitening, etc, you know. Anyway, let's see everything about this brush later. Okay, let's see what have the box looks like. Have a lot of things here. Genies, they show you how to clean, how to use, how I advise you guys to I advise you to watch this. Okay, as for me, I don't need, because I'm extra smart. I'm joking. Okay. Here also another one. He tell you that there is Genies 8000, 6000. There is one for kids, and there is 9000. 9000 is the best one. Okay. Okay. Here another. Oh, what's all this? Oh, okay. Spinning. Okay, I hope my teeth will be great after this. This is the one for memory, you know. This is the one. Yeah, that you can. Oh, it's closed. Anyway, this is you stick it to the mirror in bathroom, and you put your phone here. You got me? You press this one holder, okay, and you put your phone. I hope it will not fall down when I will put my phone, because it will be fucky. This is the charger that you charge your travel case, and you charge the other one, because I will show you now. Here you have 4 tools. 1, okay, 2, how it looks like. 4, here 4 brushes, 4 brush. 3, how it looks like. This is, I guess, for whitening. And here are 4. Okay. This one, this is the case. You should keep it in safe place in bathroom. Here you put your 4 brush, and here you put your standard for charge. This one. Oh, she fell down. She will walk away. My genius is finally recognized. Junkrat. I'm dying to play Overwatch, you know, today. But I don't have time, actually. I have a lot of things to do. Guys, see what I have? Ta-da! I need to close my mono wheel. I open him. Actually, I don't know how to close it. No, I have problem in disk. Or I will fix it and sell it. I will buy Z10 try. I have don't know. I have V10F. But I need 2 mono wheel, because I walk a lot of times between gym here, there. So anyway, this is the one here. This is the charger. Let's try to open. Oh, it's closed also. Okay, I'll show you now, guys. Everything inside the battery. Yeah, it's gonna be like this, right? Yeah, it's gonna be like this, and the brush will be here. But I guess this is just standard, because how it's going to charge? See, there's no anything here to charge. See, it's just a plastic. So I guess this is just standard. So if it's standard, why it's electric here? Or maybe it's charging. Just they make it like this from water. Yeah, sure, it's charged. So anyway, let's try it now. Okay, guys, I connected to the socket, as you see here. Okay, and by the way, here is written made in Germany. Okay, as you guys see here, made in Germany. And in the brush down here, it's written made in Germany here. Wait, let me doing autofocus. Wait, sorry. Yeah, as you guys see here, made in Germany. Okay, let's see. It's charged. Yeah, it's charging. But I mean, yeah, here's the battery. It's charging. Okay, let's now try the brush, and let's brush our teeth. Okay. So guys, here's some important info. Okay, I want to tell you about. I installed 4 brushes. Okay, I will tell you now every one of them. Listen, it's not necessarily that you connect it to this dock station so it's recharge. It can charge even this only to socket without. Okay, when you put it in charge, let's start charge. It's doing this light and start charge. Okay, here's the travel case. I don't know. I put it in charge, but it's not lightening. Looks like it's not work. I will contact customer service so I can change it. It's not work. Light's not work in that station. Now I will put it here. It will charge. Okay. Wait. Let's just 1 second. Okay. Okay. As you see, it's lighting. It's charging. But this travel case is supposed to have charging my brush like 2 times, okay, or over. When I disconnect it, this is now an issue, okay. Now I disconnect it, okay. Okay, turn off. Okay. When I'm connected now, it's not lightening. It's not charging. But this charge case, it's half battery for 30 minutes charging, which means have issue. It's not working. This is sad news. See, it's supposed to charge. Anyway, guys, I want to tell you something. They recommend you 30 seconds from every area. This is your teeth up and down, okay? They recommend you 30 seconds. Okay, here's how to install it. You have, when you open it, you have plastic one down here. You make it and you install it like this, okay? Let me do for you focus that you can see. Yeah, see? So, and then you install it. So easy, okay? And then let's remove it. Okay? And you install the other one. I recommend you guys every day do one. 1 day whitening, 1 day deep cleaning, 1 day normal, or once a week. Here to show you how to clean, okay? How to clean the ducts. Don't show it for, don't make it for rain. Hey, I mean, some information you should read it, okay? You should clean mirror before you stick the one. I cleaned the mirror already. Here in this travel case, you can put your phone here. For example, if you go to some place you wanna brush your teeth, place your phone here without your brush, and you can start work. It will hold here, nice. Okay, but just the sad point that it's not charging. It's not showing this charge. This is a sad point. Guys, nothing perfect in this world. Necessarily, when you unbox, there's something wrong. Or phone have problem, or car have issue, or nine boat have problem. Fucking this life, we spend a lot of money and we not got what we deserve or what we spend for. I should get perfect things without any issues. Necessarily, every device I open is have issue. Necessarily. Anyway, guys, this was my opinion about the brush. I will install the application in my Apple Store, and I will show you. I will tell you my opinion, or I can write me comment down below. I will tell you something. Here he explain you which one is the. See here, this is Ultron brush head. This is for the cleaning teeth surface, and I mean like here this one is for, you know, this guys is what, even if you have something stuck in your teeth like piece of meat or something, this brush will burn out from you, as they said. I don't know it's true or no, as they say. And you have for daily use. Anyway, I recommend you to read the catalog for extra information, for avoid yourself to damage your teeth or anything, because this is kind of serious little bit. So guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again. I'm gonna try now. I'm dying to try the brush, how it looks like, and I will leave you comment down below what's my opinion about it. It's not bad. Appears quite a nice thing. So peace and love for everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe and put your thumbs up or put your thumbs down as you wish. I'm not gonna press on you, but subscribe. I will press on you to subscribe, you know, because if you're not subscribed, this channel will die. Okay, love and peace and money for everyone.